back to my channel. It's Miss BT here, coming to you guys today with another video.
Yeah. What are we doing?
We're painting. Okay, so this video may be all over the place. I really don't know exactly where I'm going to go with it, other than the fact that we are painting our entire house. Yes, the entire house. So, little backstory where this came from is we painted our office. What color? Bits of sugar. I'll have all the details down below, but we painted our office, and I have a full office tour of that space, so I'll link that somewhere. It'll be for sure in the description box, but it is a white office, and we have this whole vision for our house. So we really want our house to be really bright and airy and fresh. So we're like on this mission since we're under quarantine and we have nowhere to go. Now we have no excuse not to do it. We are painting all 2,800 square feet of our house. Yep. So as you guys can see and hear, probably like a major echo. I don't know if it's echoey or not, but there's a lot going on. We've pretty much dismantled the living room and hallway and all of the things. So we're painting, and we are just going to take y'all along the journey. I don't know how many videos, like if this will be a couple of series or not, but and so I have my handy dandy painter there. Yes, and I'm going to show you guys. So we so far have ordered what is it, 3 5-gallon?
Yes,
3 5-gallon. Yeah, 3 5-gallon buckets of paint. And so far we've only went through one. We are on our second one. And with the first 5-gallon of paint, we got all of upstairs done.
Yeah, all of upstairs and the stairwell.
Yep, all of upstairs and the stairwell, and kind of came down into the living room. So I'll show you, you guys will see all of that in these videos, but videos still, again, I don't know how many this will be, but so you guys will see that. But so far we have 3, we've went through 1, and we're going to show you guys the tools that we're using, which is the only reason why we're doing this.
Yes.
Like, it's this magic invention is the only reason why we're doing it. That's enough talking. If you guys are interested in just kind of seeing how it is that we are transforming this house, at this point it's the entire house, I'm going to show you guys some of the tools, and we'll just get right to it. So yeah, if y'all have questions, drop them down in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you guys may have along through this video and this journey, but I got my tag team champ, and we're ready to go. So
let's go.
Let's keep it going.
All right, so here is the tool that we are using to paint the entire house. It's called the Smart Sidekick Multi-Room Powered Roller System. We picked this up from Home Depot, and it is seriously a magic tool. So basically all you have to do is attach it to your gallon of paint or 5-gallon bucket, like as seen here, and then you turn it on. You make sure that you have it plugged up, turn it on, and then the paint just flows through the hose and goes straight to your roller. And the roller it's perforated, so it has a few holes in there that allows the paint to come through and saturate the roller, and so you never have to come off the wall, and it is a time saver. And so basically Bear has used this for the entire house, and as you can see here, he got pretty much all of the space, and of course just with the exception of the edges, and so it really cuts down the amount of time it takes to paint the wall. So now all we're going to do is go back through and get all of the edges across the top there, around the window, and close to all of the plugs and little holes in the wall. And so as you can kind of see up there, it is a very dark room. You can see the old blue color up there. So now we're going to go ahead and get this wall painted and cover up this old blue.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do, it actually looks pretty good. Like it doesn't look too bad. But what I was trying to do was use the like pole that we got, the paint extension pole that we got, and it's way too tall, like it's way too long. So in our entryway is like a 20+ foot entry. So we got this extender pole that is gonna help us like reach the 2-story entryway. But so it goes from like 8 feet to 23 feet. And it's way too long. I think our ceilings are like 9.5 feet down here in our living room and stuff. So like the 8-foot pole, it's just way too long. So I think I'm gonna have to order another one. But yeah, I just made like a huge mess. So Clorox bleach to the rescue. This seems to be working to get paint off the tile fairly quickly. So yeah, there's that.
So I'm just using my trimmer tools to go ahead and get around the plugs, around the window frames, in the corners, and all of that. And so as you guys can see, it gets me really close to all of those little spaces where the roller couldn't get, but not without, you know, making a huge mess. So I just took a little tray full of some paint, and I'm using these 2 tools to get into the corner. You'll see I had Bear come in and help me because I had to get on the 3rd step of the ladder, and I just was not confident up there, so I asked him to come spot me. And so because we got so much of the wall done with the paint roller sidekick, this tedious process of doing the trim and the edges and things like that really wasn't too bad, considering the fact that we saved so much time doing the main part or most of the wall. So but you do have to have some patience, of course, and take your time so that you get a nice, neat, finished look. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys, I switched up the brush that I'm using in the corner now, and I am using this 2-inch shortcut angle brush. It's a Wooster brush, and I love it so much. So as you can see, I'm able to really get in nice and tight in the corner and cover up. It gives really good coverage over that really dark blue color. And I don't know about y'all, but it's something about this clip that is so satisfying. Seeing that blue get covered up, oh, just warms my heart. But we love this angle brush, and I also use this on the ceiling as well.
Maybe like right here. Yeah, like right here. Okay, back to where I started. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this spackle stuff. It's Dry Dex spackling in this little spatula that came with it, and I'm going to fill up some of these holes that are on this wall from when we had curtains up there. And y'all, we've went through a couple of curtain situations up here, so there's like hella holes up here. So I'm gonna fix that up, and then we're gonna go back over it with some paint. And then we are going to be putting up some new curtains in here, but we don't have the rod or the curtains yet, so we're just gonna like start as if it's brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this so that it can dry, and then we're gonna paint over it, and then we'll be able to move the couch back so that we can get our living room back together, because just a lot.
I need some more paint.
Okay, I'll be back.
Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the spackle, and I picked up the kit that came with a little spatula, so I'm just using that to apply it onto the wall. I'm 100% sure I'm using too much because the holes on the wall are not this big, but when I was kind of scooping it out of the container, I was just really just using too much. But it goes on pink and dries white, and then you can go ahead and paint over it. But if you need to, you can definitely sand over it before you paint as well. All right, so we finally have the living room completed, and we are ready to put our furniture back. As you can see, we're just kind of gathering our thoughts here. Little Bear is playing like as if he's on an obstacle course on this couch, which is too funny. And here's Bear, I am dad goals, which is 100% facts. He is definitely dad goals. But now we're just gonna go ahead and see if we like this picture on the wall. So there is this picture. It comes from our master bedroom, and we're just kind of moving some things around in the whole house. So we decided not to put that in here because we couldn't really decide what we wanted on the sides of it. So work in progress. But now we're just gonna go ahead and get these floors cleaned up before we move the sofa back and just start getting this living room back together. So I do get questions about our sofa, and we picked up this sofa from Rooms to Go a few years back. It is our absolute favorite sofa. If you have been on my channel for a little bit, you've probably seen that we have gone through quite a few sofas. But I think this one is definitely here to stay, considering the fact that we've had it for the past like 2.5 years, I think. And we love it, love it, love it. But it is from Rooms to Go.
Okay, so we got the walls done. Look how much brighter it is in here. I'm gonna sit this down. Like, look at how much brighter our house is now. So excited. So we only did enough like of the ceiling and the wall, cleaned this up and got this wall, and this one with the windows here all done so that we can move the couch and everything back, and the living room wouldn't continue to be in like complete shambles. But it's so bright in here. And so you know how we have these pictures, or have these pictures up here, we were trying to figure out exactly what we wanted up here because we knew this wall used to be blue, so white picture frames made sense on a blue wall. It popped out, yada yada. As you can see, now they disappear into the white wall. White frames disappear into the white wall. So we're like pondering on exactly what we're going to do on this wall. These are not going to stay here. They will be relocated. But for now, we decided kind of last minute to just put them back up instead of just having this big, huge blank wall. But I love it. Babe, do you love it?
I love it.
You love it. Come here. Is the camera good for you? Okay, yeah.
I gotta back up.
So yeah, so how do you like it?
I love it. The whole room is light. I think we need to redecorate a little bit in there, but
For sure.
yeah. It's
For
turning
sure.
up.
We have some shopping to do.
Yes, we do.
But anyways, I'm getting ready to finish cleaning up. Well, we're getting ready to finish cleaning up in the living room and just get it back like semi-normal. We still have this, the wall above the back door and then the wall above the TV and stuff. We still have that to do. But okay, so we're going to clean up in here and get this space back into some type of usable functioning space, so that when Papa wakes up from his nap, he can actually play in here. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all we're going to do. We're going to clean.
Because I love moving stuff around, I did use this time to clean up this corner and redecorate a little bit. So we picked up this gold vase, I think from At Home, because I have two of them in two different sizes. So I think it was from the home decor store At Home. And these flowers were actually, I don't even know where I got these flowers from. They were going to be a part of my wedding bouquet, and then I decided to get real flowers. So we've really just had them for several years now, but I'm just going to setting this up in the corner to be really cute and dainty with a few faux flowers, a candle, and this little kind of perfume looking bottle that I got from Home Goods. Actually, I did not get that from Home Goods. My mom got that from Home Goods, and I saw it at her house, and she gave it to me. So, but it is for sure from Home Goods. But anyways, so you guys have probably seen me do this 1,000 times, just picking up the couch. I do think that it helps our couch not look so worn down or anything when I rearrange the cushions, fluff them back up. But I am also on the hunt for some pillow covers because I am going to be switching out just the look of our pillows, and I feel like it's just easier to do it with pillow covers instead of trying to buy 100,000 new pillows. So if you guys have recommendations on where I can get some really good covers from, please drop those in the comments down below.
All right, guys, so thank you so much for joining me today. That is all I have for y'all. More to come. This is going to be a series of videos as we refresh our entire house and paint. So if you are into that type of stuff, into that type of content, I hope that along this journey it provides you with some cleaning motivation, some decorating motivation, some shopping motivation. I mean, I don't know, whatever it is that y'all need, I hope that this content is providing it for you like it is providing it for me. So make sure that you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. I'm loving engaging with you guys. So I hope to see you guys in the next one, and have a great rest of your day, night, evening, morning, whatever it is. I'll see you guys later. Bye.